Make it, sing it, draw it, say it. This is how dog zombies play it. Do your monster furry creature draw a picture of my teacher? I like wafers, they're the best. Marcus Meldrew's not impressed. Granny's custard's very lumpy. Delia is always grumpy. I'm Zombies, that's my name. So join in with my favourite games. Get ready, 'cause here we go. Welcome to my brilliant show. Let's make it. You will need an empty milk or juice box. Make sure it's clean. Bird food. Scissors.
Be careful with scissors.
Some ribbon or string. Paint and a paintbrush to decorate. A pencil and a pen. A wooden lollipop stick. And some very strong tape.
And a glue stick?
Not this time, sorry. Maybe next time. Take your juice box and paint it all over. Make it a nice bright colour so the birds can see it. Once it is dry, draw a shape like this on the side without the cap. Ask an adult for help to cut out this shape in your box. Perfect. Use a pencil to draw the details of the monster. Rah! Teeth, eyes and ears. Paint these white. When they are dry, use your pen to add all the details. Looking good. Take your lollipop stick and place it in the monster's mouth like this. Stick it down inside with tape and maybe even some glue. This will be the perch for the birds to land on. Take your string and ribbon and push it through the top of the box. You might need a grown-up to help you here. Tie the ribbon and your bird box is ready to hang. It's best to hang it somewhere nice and dry. Fill up with birdseed and you're done. Yum yum. Try using different shapes of boxes and different styles. Feed